Spark Minda. The world is changing. It's getting faster and smarter. Technology and innovation are shaping the present and the future. Driving this revolution at full throttle is Spark Minda Technical Center.
We have set up the world-class electronic testing facilities in Spark Minda Technical Center, and we have also decided that every year we will continue to invest in CAPEX and in OPEX and in the people. Our goal in technical area to be one of the best engineering company in India.
We know that future of mobility is connected, autonomous, shared and electric.
We at SMIT believe that the frugal system solutions in connected and electrification space using the embedded electronic technologies would be the value addition to the OEMs and be the front runner. At group level, we are setting up a global development network with a vision of one engineering team to spread the innovation across Spark Minda. Creation of our own IPs is important and imperative to ensure our competitive edge.
Future of mobility is a disruptor. Technology excellence with quality, affordability coupled with agility is imperative for the success. The last but not least is to provide the delightful, vibrant and agile workforce stimulated by culture of innovation and powered by passion is the key.
At this state-of-the-art technical center of Spark Minda Group, we have close to 120 plus engineers who are working on cutting-edge products, innovating products in the automotive e-mobility area, in security systems, in infotainment systems, and also in interior plastics where we support with simulation, etc. With this competency and this infrastructure available, it is but natural that we also support not only our group companies in India but also our JV partners abroad. We learn from the global OEMs and deploy them in our products for the Indian OEMs and make the product more robust. After all, reliability and efficiency come from an equally apt place of work, that is Spark Minda Technical Center, which is a statement in itself.
Spark Minda Technical Center encourages employees to indulge in various rejuvenational and cultural activities and helps them find a perfect balance between excellence and empowerment. Fasten your seat belts and join the revolution with Spark Minda Technical Center to empower the future of automotive.